Hello, today we are going to check how to see the trip summary report in user panel. Enter your login credentials. Please note, if the page is not loading immediately, just refresh the page with the help of function key and F5 button in your laptop. Also, clear the cache files. Report will be loaded. For an instance, I want to check the report of the last week. I will simply click on last week. You can see the report will be loaded. Here you can able to see the start time, vehicle name, vehicle ID, like that, total idle, total parked time, no data time, starting location, end location, duration, distance, many more things, position. Like this you can able to see from this report. You can able to see the trip summary of a particular date. Just select the date here, click on submit. The report will be loaded. From here you can able to see the end location of the vehicle and position. Like this you can able to see the trip summary. If you want the trip summary report to be in Excel format, just click on the Excel symbol here. Click on save. The report will be downloaded. I hope the video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.